Hey everyone, this is Kelly Donahue-Piro here again with another HubSpot tip because we're just super psyched about HubSpot. We like to do this every week, right? So one of the things I'm going to show you today, I'm going to share my screen, is what I like to call your competitor stalking tool. Very, very important. So if you guys go ahead and look in, you have to have the marketing section. So again, you're going to go to marketing. You're going to kind of come over here to reports and you'll see this thing called competitors. So this is where you can kind of check out what you're doing and how well it stacks up against everybody else, right? So what you do is you go in here and you add a new competitor. So here's what I recommend. I recommend doing some people in your community, some of the bigger guys that you have that you go up against, and then also maybe some agencies that you really like. You think that they do a good job in marketing. To me, this is like a little competition. I want to see how close we can get to kicking butt and taking names, right? So what I'm looking at here is, we've got our URL and it's showing our marketing grade. So this is the HubSpot marketing grade. If you've ever used the HubSpot marketing tool, the website grader, it's pretty good. It often has some errors though, so just double check it. Like on ours, sometimes it says we don't have a blog. Well, we blog like 5 days a week. So that's not totally true, but at least gives us a good indicator. Then we go ahead and look at traffic rank. So if you look, rank as compared to millions of other sites on the internet, a lower rank is better. So we're trying to drive this down as much as we humanly possibly can. You can see some people are doing a little bit better job than us in that area, but we're constantly working at it. Linking domains is probably our biggest area of opportunity. So this is backlinks pointing into our website. So this is why we do a lot of articles. You'll see us do a lot of blogs. We write for Agency Nation, Insurance Soup. I'm sorry, not Insurance Soup, Insurance Nerds. And every time we speak anywhere, actually, we ask to be publicized in their publication. So what that means is that we're getting those valuable backlinks from trusted sources coming into our website, which strengthens us up. The Moz rank, link of authority measured by Moz. So our website's pretty new, which is why we've only been in business for about 4 years. That's why we don't have as much Moz rank, but something that we're working on. So you can go ahead and go through here. I think it's super interesting just to kind of see where you're stacking up, where you can be a little bit more valued. And it's pretty cool over time to check it out and just see where your competitors are. So definitely a valuable tool. So go load up as many competitors as you want in here and start stalking them as much as possible. All right, that's our HubSpot tip of the week. We'll talk to you guys later.